Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at the Datsun Hayward meet. There's Isaac. Welcome to the channel, bro. What the f? This is the R34 just roaming around. Yeah, this is incredible. Really rare to see R34s here in Hayward. Got the nice Nismo wheels. This is a V-Spec 2. So yeah, very, very nice. Love these R34s. Can't wait until they're legal in the United States, but wow, just a gem to see. And yeah, we're gonna go check out that area over here. We got a M3 right here. We also have a roof 964, pretty sick. And then we got a row of NSXs, pretty nice. Got the red one. Look at the wheels on this, really nice. We got a black NSX on the gold BBSs. This meet's only gotten bigger over time. We're gonna just walk around and see what cool cars we can see. Got an E46 M3, an E36. I got the wide body 350Z. I believe we saw this at Beyond City Limits. Check this out. An R32 GTR. Look at the Hot Wheels collection. And check out the Datsun pickup truck. And oh my goodness, my favorite, Nissan 300 ZX. Look at that, this is pristine. Look at the interior. It is an auto, but I don't really care. Wow. This is immaculate.
That I'm building, and I have a 92 Mazda.
Always love these 300 ZXs. Got more of these Datsuns. Very nice. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that turbo. Integra GSR. We're next to the R32 GTR. And bunch of Datsuns. And look at this Miata. And another Miata. What the hell? Okay, this Miata is pretty unique because it has a hard top. I don't know what to think about that. Got two more Miatas. And then look at the blue Devil Z replica. Pretty sick. And then got more Hondas over here. CRX. And then can't forget this R33 GTR. And then look, it's the Miata that got drafted. Now we're getting a startup on the Integra.
Oh, is that Calvin?
Yeah. And then look at the 240SX. And then more Z's. We got Datsun 510s. Look at this. Believe this is a Nissan Pulsar. Pretty sick. You don't really see these that often. Got the infamous EG Civic. Got the 240Z, the S13 240SX, and a Honda Civic. Let me open the hood, bro. The GTR rolling by. Right next to the Subi WRX. And then look at the Toyota. I'm not gonna try to butcher that name, but this is an Lexus LS400. There we got Jeremy's car. You got Jeremy right here?
Hi.
Yeah, pretty sick. And we got two WRXs over there. Looks like my favorite car is departing. The Z32 300 ZX. Then we got the Mustang rolling by. Sick, sick. And we got an Eclipse. Hold on, wait for it. Wait for it. Damn, look at that way. Look at that. Owner's letting us sit in the R34. Hey, how's it feel, buddy? How's it feel, buddy? It feels great. Feels great. All right, it's my turn to hop in.
Yeah.
Wow. Feels just like my 300ZX. I'm just kidding, bro. But wow, this is incredible. Got the 6-speed manual, 3 pedals, obviously. Yeah, the Nismo gauge cluster, yeah, this is incredible. R34 GTR, pretty sick. Looks like all the NSXs are gonna leave now, so this is what we're, oh, he got air ride.
Alright, and action. If you could lift it up one more time, that'd be great.
Oh, looks like the R34 is leaving as well. Let's see. Forgot to cover this, but look at this Toyota Sport 800. Oh my gosh, there's another one. 300ZX number 2. Really nice. Mark IV Supra. That is sick. Well, y'all, I think this ends today's video. It was nice seeing all these Japanese classics. Pretty good turnout this time, but yeah, anyway. If you like the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.